Today, that is on 7 June 2021, Income Tax Department is launching its new portal. The earlier portal was Income Tax India e-filing.gov.in. The new portal is named a little bit shorter, that is incometax.gov.in. Now let us see what this new portal is aimed at. As per the document released by the Income Tax Department, this new portal is aimed at taxpayers' convenience. This new portal will provide modern and seamless experience to the taxpayers. Now let us see what are few of the highlights provided in the document. So as per the document, this new portal will be taxpayer friendly. It will enable immediate processing of ITRs and in turn refunds will be issued very quickly to the taxpayers. This new portal will provide a dashboard which will show pending actions to be taken by the taxpayers. A free ITR preparation software will be provided on this portal, which will be based on interactive questions. So taxpayer has to just answer those questions and his return of income will be filed very quickly. On this new portal, taxpayers will be able to proactively update their profile. Taxpayers will also be able to provide certain details of their income which will be used to pre-fill their ITR. Few of the incomes like salary income, interest income, dividend income, capital gains will be pre-filled on this portal. A new call center will be set up for the assistance of the taxpayer. This portal will contain detailed FAQs, user manuals, videos and chatbots for the assistance of the taxpayer. Live agents will also be available to assist the taxpayers. This new portal will contain functionalities for filing ITR, to add tax professionals and to submit response to the faceless assessments. A new tax payment system will also be launched on 18 June 2021. Lastly, a mobile app will also be released for the assistance of the taxpayer. Let us hope for the best. Thank you.